Amazon's got a really good playbook for this, actually. If we just copy Amazon, we would be pretty bloody good. So what does Amazon do? Well, when Amazon was figuring out which marketplace, Amazon USA, Amazon Canada, Amazon UK, Amazon Germany, Amazon India, China, blah, 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 which marketplace to open next, what Amazon does is it looks at their data. So it looks and it says, okay, well, where are people ordering from that we are not currently serving with a dedicated website like Amazon.com, for instance, or .com.au. So you probably may or may not be aware, I don't know, maybe you're not aware, but prior to Amazon.com.au launching, Amazon.com was the 10th most trafficked website in Australia. The 10th most trafficked website in Australia. So I knew because of that Amazon in Australia would definitely launch because they'd been nuts not to launch that. So Amazon looks at data. They see that heaps of people in Australia are buying from Amazon.com. It's an obvious thing for them to then say, hey, we're going to open a dedicated website in Australia because we already know the market's there. The market's already there. We're just going to tap into that existing marketplace. So why not do the same? Why not do the same? Set your listing up so that you are selling globally and see where your product naturally sells into. So I sell into Spain. The reason I sell it with one of my products we sell into Spain. The reason we do that is because I saw that I was getting heaps of orders from the UK, where it was, into Spain. And so it was a natural thing for us to then set up something dedicated in Spain. And so it's a natural evolution of that. So I just follow their playbook, David. That's what I do, mate. And that works really, really well. So that's what I would encourage you to do too. Now, the other way you can do that, of course, is you can use something like Merchant Words. And holy shit, have you seen Merchant Words? They have made some cool changes. Trump, let's just put in Trump. You can use Merchant Words and you can see for the search terms that you're making sales on, well, where else can you do? What about in the UK? How many people in Italy are searching for your fluffy Trump dildo, for instance? I don't know, whatever. How many people are searching for that? And you can have a look and you can get some data. And so you can make data-driven decisions. So rather than guessing, open up your marketplace and see where people naturally start buying from. And also look at the data using things like Merchant Words and see which other marketplaces, territories, are also good markets for you to go after. That's what I do. That's what Amazon does. And I recommend that that's what you do too. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.